Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do to exit outline mode if you've accidentally went to the black and white just outline mode. So I've done this a couple of times before in the past. So what I did was I pretty much pressed this button and now I'm on this area and I can't press Control Z. It's just going to Control Z and undo what I've done. As you can see, just made it look like this, and I'm panicking. What do you do? And you can't find anything here, for instance, to bring it back to what it was. You're just going to press Control Y on your keyboard and it's going to bring it back to the normal mode. So again, press Control Y to go to outline mode and the same thing again to get out of it, and it'll be fixed. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.